spacious living area and as soon as you enter, this is the kitchenette area to the very beautiful and spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Ranjita and today we are here for sample flat tour of Brigade Eternia by Brigade, located opposite to the RMG Galleria Mall, which is located in North Bengaluru, and it is located in Yelahanka, New Town. So today we are here for sample flat tour. However, before showing you the sample flat, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing companies whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developer, so you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. Right now, we are at Brigade Eternia by Brigade, which is located opposite to RMZ Galleria Mall, Yelahanka, New Town, North Bengaluru. So talking about the project overview, Brigade Eternia is constructed in 14 acres land parcel, and the variants that are available are 1, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK variants, and the miniature model of Brigade Eternia. And talking about the amenities that they have to offer, there's jogging track, landscape garden, there's a very spacious and nice clubhouse, and there's a swimming pool, and also there is kids play area, and they have to offer you 30 plus amenities. Talking about the connectivities to this project, Yelahanka railway station and metro station is just 5 minutes drive from this project. RMZ Galleria Mall is just 2 minutes. Mall of Asia is also just 5 minutes away from this project. Manyata Tech Park is just 10 minutes away, and the upcoming new office of Amazon is just 7 minutes from this property. And Bengaluru International Airport is just 15 minutes drive from this property. Right now I'm standing outside 4.5 BHK sample flat of Brigade Eternia by Brigade, which is built in 2926 square feet, located opposite to RMZ Galleria Mall, which is located in North Bangalore, Yelahanka, New Town. Come, let's have a look at the sample flat. As soon as I enter, we can see a very good spacious foyer area right here, and that leads us to a very beautiful 4.5 BHK house. And right now we are roaming around the dining area, which is quite spacious. Like you can see, even after me able to travel around the dining area, there's quite some space left here for you to easily accommodate your huge dining table. And coming forward, we have a very beautiful and spacious living area that's right here. This is quite beautiful, I must say. As you can see, they have accommodated a L-shaped sofa here, but you can customize it or arrange it as per your needs. And right opposite to the sofa area, there is TV unit area, and that is also easily occupying a good amount of space. And even after that, there is good amount of space in the living room. And next is the best part, that is the balcony, which is attached to the living area. Come, let's have a look at the balcony area. Wow, as soon as we enter, we can see a very beautiful balcony area that's right here. And also this balcony is attached to one of our bedrooms as well, which we will show further. And like you can see, we have wooden textured flooring, and there is good space in the balcony area, so I'm able to easily walk around the balcony. And I must say that this is very apt for your morning coffees or evening chais. So let's have a look at the other spaces of the sample flat. So as we continue to go further, now you are coming via the living area and the dining area to the kitchenette area. So as we continue to go further, there is a small dining setup here as well, which you can arrange as per your needs. And as soon as you enter, this is the kitchenette area. You can see to my left there is refrigerator space, oven space, and also good amount of slab space that's right here. And also continue to that, there is utility space right there, which is also quite spacious and nice. And there is a sink space as well right here. And also, like I said, it's a 4.5 BHK sample flat. So there is 0.5 bedroom that's right here. You can use it as the house office or the maid's bedroom, and that also comes with an attached washroom, which is again another benefit of this house. So that was the 0.5 bedroom. So now let's have a look at the other bedrooms, and we have 4 bedrooms to have a look at. So let's continue to go now. So now we are heading to the bedroom number 1. As soon as I enter the bedroom number 1, something that really makes me feel good is the aesthetics of the room, and you can also arrange and decorate as per your needs. Like you can see, you can easily able to accommodate your king or queen size bed right here, and also there is wardrobe space right there. And also alongside the bed there is bedside lamp space as well, and there is partially slidable windows right here. And right opposite to the bed space there is good amount of space, like you can use it as your TV unit space, or even you can even use it as your working or study space right here. And also there's an attached washroom to the bedroom number 1 with high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So that was the tour of bedroom number 1. Now let's have a look at the bedroom number 2. So as we continue to go further, it leads us to our second bedroom, but before that there's a common washroom that's right here. Even this comes with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So now let's have a look at the bedroom number 2. As we enter, the entry space in itself is quite spacious, and to my left I have the washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings, and the exit of washroom leads me to my next bedroom. Right now they have decorated it as the kids bedroom, and you can decorate or customize it as per your needs. You can easily accommodate a queen or king size bed right here, and opposite to that there is wardrobe space, and also there is bedside lamp space as well. And when I come this side, like I showed you before, there is wardrobe space, and opposite to that there is a quite spacious space which you can use as your kids study space, or if you are living here then you can use it as office space or just the reading space. And this is quite good, and also there is partially slidable windows right there. So now let's have a look at the third bedroom. So as we continue to go further, the third bedroom is right in the entrance, so we'll have to travel back via the dining area to have a look at the bedroom number 3. As we continue to enter the bedroom number 3, this is also quite spacious. And also one thing that we all need to know is there has been no compromise in the quality or in the space, because every room is quite spacious. So this is the bedroom number 3, and it can easily accommodate your queen size or king size bed, and alongside the bed there's also lampside space, and also right opposite to that I have wardrobe space as well. And next to that there is small space right here which you can use it as TV unit space, or you can keep your decorative items here. And this room also has an attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings, and also there is the dissection between the shower area and the washroom area, which is again another brownie point. So now let's have a look at the fourth bedroom, that is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is to my left. But before entering the master bedroom, let me actually tell you what House C does for us. In House C, we give you sample flat tours. In House C, we give you exact location tours. In House C, we give you pros and cons of each project. In House C, we give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. And along with all of that, we also give you full pricing inclusive of EMI and down payment. And you can book your free site visit today by registering yourselves on housey.com. How can you do that is by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. So let's have a look at the master bedroom. As soon as I enter, I see a very good amount of entry space along with a mimic of like a wardrobe, and which also looks like a walk-in closet. And also right opposite to that, I have the washroom space right there with high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. And something that's luxurious is in this room, that is the wooden flooring. This is quite sophisticated and nice. And as soon as we enter, this leads us to the very beautiful and spacious master bedroom. And like I said in the balcony, that this is an attached balcony with the living area. So this is one stretch of balcony where you can enter either via the hall area or the master bedroom area. So right here I have the bed space, which can easily accommodate your king size bed. And alongside the bed space, you have the bedside lamp space. And also right next to that, I have very spacious and very nice looking wardrobe space. And right opposite to the bed space, I have the study space or the workspace and the TV unit space as well. So this was the end of 4.5 BHK sample flat of Brigade Eternia by Brigade. And if you are looking for a flat which is very spacious around North Bengaluru, especially in Yelahanka, New Town, then please reach out to Housey so that we can help you book this. And if after all this you would like to book your free site visit, like I said before, first you'll have to register yourselves on housey.com, and also you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. Alongside, if you have bought any properties with Brigade, or if you have bought any properties around Yelahanka, New Town, do let us know your suggestions in the comments below. Thank you until we meet next time.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.